Going on, guys? Good morning. Let's jump into the news real quick. So we had jobless claims this morning. For the rest of the day, that's really it for Thursday. Just jobless claims. Not much news today. Tomorrow we got non-farm payrolls and consumer credit. Jump into these levels and get all set up. All right, so ES is we're tracing a bit after that massive pump we had for the last 3-4 days. So ideally, what I'd like to see is a pullback to 7,700, possibly back to 76.32 for a bounce, and then we can look to take longs. So long off 77 or long off this 76.32 would be ideal for more upside continuation. ES, or if you guys are trading options for SPY, I'd like to see this 760 retest and hold. If it's a little deeper, maybe this 754. And then more upside continuation. Triple Q's, NQ's been lagging behind. So ideally what I'd like to see, if we do get a little pullback, 700 hold for longs. If we do reclaim the 722 as well, I do like 722 continuation like that. So long off 700, 722 hold. That is your trigger to play longs. If it rejects the 722, that's your trigger to play shorts. And for NQ, let's see. NQ, we want to see this retest at 28.9. 28.9 can hold. Look for longs back up to 30. And if 30 rejects, sorry about that. If 30 fails, we can look for shorts back down. We can play this range until it decides to either clear this 30K and continue. Over 30, we could just start squeezing back to all-time highs. So you could play the 28.9 long, or you could play something like this. You could play the 30 reclaim, right? So over 30, hold. You could look for that breakout to start catching up to ES. You guys have any questions? North Shore's wild, man. Funny. These guys are going wild. See if we could base out today, right? Yesterday we talked about that 77.68. So we did undercut it a bit. If we could hold this level right here, we could look to take these longs back up to at least 64. If we do start fading this under 77.45, I'm liking shorts back down to 7,700. See how it plays out. So really, we want this value area high to break and hold, and then we can look to take longs. If we start fading the 745, I'm taking shorts back down. Is how I'm kind of viewing the market today. You guys took the shorts. Yeah, I was looking up at like up here, the value area low. Once it failed, it did flush down to 47. This could be a retest right here. You broke it. This probably the retest. That's a good entry. See if you get that continuation. Under 45, that's your trigger, in my opinion. Once 45 gives out, there's nothing for till 7,700. Yeah, I mean, it's eventually going to catch up. Ideally, we have to retest that 7,700. I can't see us just making a leg up with no retest. No, that was crazy. To be honest, you probably only need like 2, 3 micros for NQ. Five's too aggressive. Thing was just spiking all over. Looks like she just wants to break down. I want that 45 break, and then I will be in those shorts with the starter position. If I can get a pop back to 55, I'm looking to get in right there. Yeah, I want to see like that 760 retest. On SPY at least one last time. What, the 754 you're asking? For triple Qs, it's really under that 722 is the short. Down to 700, there's nothing. Over 715, 715, 716 for triple Q, you could look to play a retest to 722. The real trigger for triple Q, in my opinion, is over that 722. If 722 can hold, that's your trigger that you should get more continuation up. You could get a bounce, but the structure shifts over that 722. Ideally, if you can get back to like 700 and hold, that'd be your low risk entry long. See if we get a pop. see what text. Look at Apple. Apple's pushing. Microsoft's projecting the 492 as of right now. Tesla's selling off. I go test 311. Meta lost that 589. Nvidia's probably going to retest this 218. I am liking shorts under this 45. We could wipe out that 45, yesterday's low. I'm looking to take shorts down to 7,700. Let's see. Looks like it's going to go for it. I'm going to try. Got a pretty beat fill right there. Let's see. Really wanted like a little higher. I wanted this 60. Anywhere up here, this POC. If we could start closing under this 50 or 45, I'm looking to hold this thing to at least, I mean, really 7,700. I'm trying to justify another, there's just nothing down there. I'm going to put like 7705. You guys want just trail your stop to BE at this point, just to be safe. If not, I'm going to just lock it in and build a buffer. Let's see. If we were clean 45, 46, I'm going to get out because that's like my pivot right there. I do like the downside though. I'd rather build a buffer. Yeah, I'm probably going to lock this in a second unless it rejects right here. As long as we stay under 45, we're golden. It keeps bouncing right there. Got it. That was the retest. Let's see. See if we wipe this 45 out and start closing below it for this 5 minute. Can go either way right here. I'm just going to get out just to be safe. This could be a long right here. Sucks. I was up like 200 on that. So I'm saying this looks like it could be the long. Back to this 60. I'm so happy I got out on that. Did you guys? Hopefully you guys got out on that. You saw that switch, right? We got out literally BE right before that 54 started taking off. Or not 54, that 45. Sorry. The fills are annoying when it's on my screen. Yeah, they might just squeeze these guys. Hopefully you guys got out of that short. I mean, this is the retest of VWAP. If it rejects here, I'm just waiting to see which way it decides to go. I'm gonna try those shorts one last time. Like that entry, guys. Let's see if we get the follow through. It's got to take this 45 out. And Q's looking kind of strong. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not crazy about it. I'm liking the longs more than the shorts at this point. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Triple Q looks decent right now. If you see triple Q Watson, it's holding that WAP. It's probably the strongest. NQ starts reclaiming it. Right now, it's just chop. I'm not trying to just guess. I do like the short under 45, but I don't want to get caught at the bottom. And ideally, I want to close over 62 for the long. Do want to pull the trigger right here. I'm gonna just try it. I'm just gonna probably start adding in. It's looking pretty bullish. I want to see NQ take out VWAP, and I want to see triple or ES take out this 60, the 62 ideally. I mean, triple Q's pushing. I got some liquidity at 65. We take this up to 65. Between 70 is ideal if you guys want to go for 13 points if you get the follow through. If we could break this 62, we're gonna run up a bit. I just don't want this hourly candle to flip. It looks good for a long right here. NQ looks like she might reject this VWAP right here. I might just sell it on if we get a pop to take it from B. I'm just not really feeling either direction right now. If I can recoup that 50. No. Oh, it's gonna go for it now. Yeah, that sucks. God. Yeah, there's the 62. Oh my God. Come on. Now, if you push to, as long as you close over 62, really 65, you can hold the 62 to 65. The hourly is going to look fire. I was in a little early. That's why I was a little hesitant because it could have rejected before this hourly closed. And I would have essentially longed the top. That was why I was a little nervous. That's so beat. We wait until 10 o'clock. The long, it looks like she's holding. That's why I'm liking it. I mean, NQ looks like she can get to 30K. NQ over 30,000 and triple Q over 722 just looks beautiful. Probably gonna get a push. Keep testing that 65. Let's see if it can blow through it. Anybody in trades? Or you guys just sitting on your hands? There he is. I tried to short at open. I was up 200, didn't take it. Then flipped to longs. And broke even. Over 65. I'm loving this long. NQ just looks so much stronger. Look at triple Qs. You took that triple Q, Watson, over VWAP or no? Yeah, the longs look solid. That 45 was it. I was waiting for the 45 to break. We swept those lows, but we hit 41. And then it just reclaimed, and that's it. Got to take out 65. There's so much volume between 65 and 70. It could get stuffed here, or if it just starts climbing through, you're gonna run at least 20 points. That's what I'm waiting for as well. I'm waiting for 10 o'clock. See how this hourly closes. That's pretty sick. That shows MNQ though. I don't know why my MNQ is still on the P&L. Like, you can't see it on my screen. It's below it because it cuts off. No, that's why I'm waiting. I just want to see the close over 64. Or 65, really. Between 65 and 70 is just so much volume. That could be a fire short entry, or that's going to be the start of that upside. Best thing to do is just to wait for the 10 o'clock close. You're sick. North Shore is just in everything. Yeah, she's rejecting hard. Look at that big bubble right there. You guys see that? If you get that follow through right there, you get that big bubble. Negative delta printing. It's got to hold this 58. Over 58, you can retest 64 again. Under 58, you're going back to like that 50. My opinion, 58, if you're looking for longs, is a nice entry. More low risk. Over 65 is like your trigger. Yeah, tomorrow's first match. Roman Jada. It will be good. Winner versus you versus winner. And then Big Jim versus that person after you. You have a cam, right? Like a webcam, like your laptop, I'm guessing, obviously has a camera. All right, sweet. Yeah, me and Rome set his up over the weekend. He's good to go. There you go. Living in the 21st century, baby. Got about 2 minutes till close. I'm saying that 65 could have been the top tick short. I just want some type of confirmation. You could. There's just so many. There's just a lot of volume at 58. For me, 58 would be a little better. Under 58, I'm kind of sketched out for longs. I mean, NQ's holding. NQ looks good. It's almost at high a day. Yeah, yesterday was fire. 20 points. We got off. It hit the 68, we said. If you watched the stream from yesterday, I set the limit order for 68 in the beginning. I don't know if you guys remember that. I was like, 68's the TP. We were in at, what, 78.08 or something like that. I had it for 40 points. Got out for 20. This could be the long right here. You got some volume picking up. Let's see, I'm still waiting for 10. There's that 10, yeah. Always into that 10 o'clock close. Yeah, 58's ideal for me. The fact that it can't break like 60, 65 is telling me not to get in longs. Yeah, it's gonna go right back. It can't crack it. Like we could keep playing this range, but the confirmation you have to take this high out, and then we could start pushing. Right now, you could probably keep playing 55 to 62. But if we crack 64, 65 and hold, we got a shot back up to 77.90. Nice 20 points. Just do we break and hold, or we just sit in this range all day? Or do we lose the 50? Yeah, I mean NQ is also lagging behind ES, but she did just make a new high a day on this last candle. See if it holds. Mm. And the hourly looks like she wants to go. She's sitting right at the 60. I just don't want to anticipate it and get caught. See what tech's doing real quick. Microsoft broke that 492. Tesla's just not really doing much. Meta's flat. Amazon sideways. There's not much besides Nvidia that pushed up and Microsoft. Everything else is kind of just sideways. Looks like we're going to go down. We can't make that high. We cannot reclaim 65 for the life of us. See if NQ and VWAP, NQ breaks VWAP and ES breaks as well. If we start closing below. Right now, we're just pinned right to it. Oh, shit. It needs a haircut. Thing is just sideways. Yeah, on the 5, right? You talking about this right here, North Shore? Yeah. That's why I want to see the 65 close. I want to break above, hold this, and then we should get the continuation. Our entry won't be as good, but we'll be on the right side of the move. That's all I really care about. Right now, yeah, we could just sit in this range and then break down, so there's no point in guessing. It's going to be boring until it picks a direction. See, the hourly looks good. I like want to go for it right here. Like the 58, like I was saying earlier, as long as we hold the 58, it's decent. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it, guys. If I can get one last pullback, I might try that 58. Oh, come on. She's gonna go. It's picking up volume. I'm in, guys. 158. I watched it start picking up. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in longs. My entry was trash. The 58 was there. Right when I said it, it started speeding up, and I was like, oh, let me just see. Then I hit 61. I looked for the pullback. It ran. So my entry's kind of shitty. If it pulls back again, I'll add in. Yeah, I'm 63. You got a better entry than me. I mean, 87.85 to 77.90 is your TP. So 85 to 90 is your sell zone. As long as we hold this, as long as we hold where we're at right here, we're pretty decent. We should catch, 20 points. I'm just going to put it at 85 just to be safe. That will be 550. If we do get to play, that's what we're looking for. Shocked. Guys suck. Nah, it should be, if we take the 65 out, it should be a fairly quick move. There's not much liquidity. All the liquidity is between this 60 and 65, and we're just about to pierce through it. Oh my God, I could have had the 58, man. I said it like 3 times. It would have given me such a better buffer. Come on, take this 65 out and let's go. You know you want to. You know you want to. Triple Q just looks way cleaner. We got a TP set for 85. Sometimes it pays to be patient. Right? We got to sit there for an hour or about 30 minutes. If we get the push, we're going to catch a nice push, probably like yesterday, North Shore, 20 points at least. Yeah, we should get it. But I said we had that 65 was it. The 58 started, they started absorbing the life out of this thing. That's why I started liking it right here. On this, we made a higher low. We didn't even hit the 58. Or, oh yeah, we wicked right off the 58, 59. I mean, I wanted to add, I can't add now. I wanted to add if it retested 58, but we're not going to get it. Yeah, 55 was crazy. 55 was solid because it played out. It was more of a higher risk entry because if it failed, you could have just started breaking down. 65 is the worst entry, but it's your confirmation that you're going to break out. That's the beat thing. Like the structure shifts up here. Over this 60, 65, you're most likely going to push up since there's no liquidity. What, 56? Yeah, if we break that, we're just gonna run to 80. 80, 85. We should get, like I said, should be at least a 20-point move. Unless if they absorb this and just stuff us. I can't see that happening. But the way the hourly is looking right now, it looks like it wants to go. As long as we hold that 65, NQ's making a high a day. If you guys are trading NQ, like I said, that was probably the cleaner play out of the two. ES is lagging today compared to NQ. Yeah, NQ, we talked about that 29,500 yesterday, the day before. That was the pivot. You bounced right off it today, which was basically VWAP. Yep. As long as we hold 65, we are in pretty good shape. I'll probably just put my stop at BE and look to re-enter if it comes down to it. See if I can get a better entry. She's holding 65, or she's trying. Not fucking around. See if I can get that 58 this time. My entry was so trash. Come on, give me the 58. That still looks good. I just want a better entry. I might get a worse entry. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Fucking got a worse entry than I had. It's not going to give it to me. I wanted like a flush. Not a flush. I just wanted a retest. NQ looks freaking fire. They're going to give me the 58 now. I'll lose it. I'll lose it. I was smart. I would just get out of ES and Look for a retest in NQ and just ride NQ. That's what a smart person would do. Yeah, she's starting to pick up now. NQ's going crazy. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We should honestly, you guys, I don't know how you feel about NQ. That's the cleaner play of the day. I just liked ES because it was showing more strength throughout the week, but ES has so much, or NQ has so much room to the upside. Let me go put my order back at 85. Now I gotta do 85.75. Yeah, NQ's looking beautiful. Gotta close over 65. That's all it comes down to. Nothing really matters until NQ or your ES takes out that 65 and holds. $85 is TP, guys. I got an order up there. Come on, NQ. Just start, or ES, just start pushing. 71's the high of day. Come on. Let's take it out. Let's go. NQ looks so good. We should be in NQ right now. I don't want to FOMO you guys in, but it's just a better play. The 715 reclaim on triple Q to 722 is what we talked about pre-market. It's stuffed. I'm going to take it again for PE. I'm not beat. Gotta stay over 65. Come on, just squeeze these guys already. Just squeeze them. We're not breaking down, so we're gonna go up eventually. NQ's going crazy. Yeah, no, it looks good. That's why I'm still holding two. It's just let's just go already. Come on, NQ's already breaking out. Look at ES compared to NQ. Look at the charts. Like it's going, but this is just ripping right now. I'm not playing this shit. I'm about to just wait. It's like it won't break out. I still like it. It's just not giving it to me. They'll go without me now. Just wait. NQ's a little top heavy. Yeah, it might have just fucking caught us. I got filled at 60. 58 was ideal. If it breaks that, it's just going to reject. This would have been your ad, that 58, guys. I got in a tad early. I'm filled at 60. No, this thing might get worked, guys. Yeah, I'm about to cut this thing in a second. Yeah, I'm not fucking around. This shit's looking beat. It can't reclaim this. It can't close over that 65. No, I'm taking shorts just because of that. It just looks ugly. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm 54. That was super aggressive. It failed the 65 at least, what, 3 times up here? It just won't do it. I got a TP set for 22. So I kept selling that long for BE. I was like, I just don't. It's just not giving me the follow through. We'd be up like $100 and it'd get stuffed, and I take it for break even just in case this happened. That was my whole thing. And then I tried the 60 long, and that's where I took majority of that loss right there, which sucks. Right? ES is already below VWAP. If NQ starts breaking down, then it's done. The 15-minute basically engulfed the whole last candle as well. Selling pressure is picking up. They might have just caught all those late longs. Back to our morning thesis, right? Under that, really, we got to get under that 45. Under 45, this thing smoked. What we talked about earlier. We kept closing. We wicked below it, closed right above it, closed above it, and then the little reversal. We can start closing below the 45. We're going back to 77. It's going to retest the 58, watch. That was probably your ad. If anyone added that 58 right there, it was very quick. I might just hold this one all day. I got a limit order set for 22. See if we get that break. Under 45, that's our trigger. NQ still trying to push back up. Come on, just take the 45 out. The 65 failed. You guys saw right here. This was what we were waiting for. We did close over at once, but there was no follow through. We did make a new high, right? We closed above. We did make a high. It was a false breakout and reversed right back down. If it really goes and tries to break through, I'll be so over it. Got a big ass bubble right here. This 58 would be your ad if it does reject. I just don't like how NQ is kind of showing some strength still. We're almost at high a day. I need NQ to break down. It's a long again. Come on. This is like the long. This is the pivot right here. Over 58's the long. Under 58's the short. I mean, I picked the shorts. We're still in. We rejected. It's literally just what it is. So I'm like so sketched out. I'm like, you go either way. I'm liking the shorts because we can't even reclaim that 65, but over 50, really over 58 opens the doors for 65. What were you flipping back and forth? This is just one of those range days. What were you doing, JD? Were you going back and forth between longs and shorts? That's why on these days you got to use the hourly time frame and just wait for the move to hopefully play out. Yeah. Like look at this wick on the hourly. It's just you know the next leg down ideally really is down to the 7700. right around here, right? Got some good volume right here. I'm just front running. I might try to trail it. We'll see, but I want that short. A GoFundMe, he says. At least you'll have a fresh account for tomorrow, I guess. I don't know if we break that 45 North Shore, we're in good shape. That 58, like I said, could have been the fire short to add. I didn't pull the trigger. I was too scared. I was too scared. You got out at the top, yeah, on the retest. That's when I would have added. I kept saying that was either the perfect ad or that was the start of the retest to 65. And I get it. See if we break that 45 North Shore. You gotta learn how to listen. Gotta trust the charts. We still need to take out 45 for us, or it means nothing, North Shore. If we can't break this 45, this means absolutely nothing. Because this could be the long down here. The hourly's still pointing to the downside, though. This whole trade's based off the hourly time frame. Come on, just break the 45. I bet it'll be the 11 o'clock hourly that will start it. We hit 46. Really? That's solid. Wish they'd make a mistake for me. We really can't break this 45. Would we hit 46? Yeah, see that the 5 minute, the last 15 minute looks pretty nice right now. Look at this. It's made a higher low. See how it closes. We got 2 minutes. It rejects right here. Break the 46 already. The 15 minute just rejected. It's probably going to be the 11 o'clock hour, the next hourly, if we can stay like this. Might have to sit in this one for, unfortunately, a little longer. Come on, take the 45 out right here. Let's go. Give us the sell off into that 11 o'clock close. Yeah, that's how my Lucid was, the one I destroyed the other day. It blew up at like 51 or 51.5 because it was at like 54 at one point. That's why I got over it the second day, so I'm just going to let it go for the last of the drawdown. Stupid. Break the 45, guys. You should get it, North Shore. You're still holding, right? The 56. You're a man. We just got to, we keep testing this 45. Eventually, we should break it. I'm thinking the closer we get to 11, we'll start making that move down. Just give us the break already. Come on. Come on. Break that 45. NQ needs to break VWAP. I think that's what's holding it up right now. Nah, that's not bleeding. It's just sitting right at VWAP. We still got to take out 45. Let's see what Tech's doing. Apple's selling off. That's nice. Rejected the 317. Amazon's just flat. Meta's just sitting on that 589 still. Tesla's kind of just flat. Nvidia's testing that 218 demand zone, and Microsoft is pushing back up over 492. Here's that 45. Let's see if we could break it right here. So the closer to 11, maybe we get it. If we do get a bounce, I'm just going to take it. Just wait till 11 at that point. I really want to close under 45. Let's give us the rejection. Come on. This 45 is a monster. Know this one. We get off, and then it goes right to the frickin' the 22 we got. Or the 700. Does it every day. We sit through all the bullshit. We're like, oh, it's starting to move. We'll get out for like $100, $200, and then it's like 900 bucks. I just don't have the patience to sit here all day. That's my biggest problem. I might even look to target this 40 down here. This morning low. Maybe we double bottom from here. If this gets taken out, I'll look to hold it though, this 40. From 40, I'm looking to go to 20 and then down to the 7,700. Just watch this 40 though. We could even make a lower high right here, right? We made our low. This could be a lower high for me. I mean, the hourly looks like she just wants to break. I'm just gonna wait. See if it gets a retest back up here. I locked it in. I made that last fucking trade back. So beat. I'm just like making money, losing money. There's no follow through. It'll go now because I got out. Yeah. Sick. Don't break even on the day. This is trash. It's just chop. We can't break the 45. We can't break the 65. It's just, it's probably just going to consolidate. There's no news today either. Tomorrow we got some news. This 58 would be the reshort. I just don't like how NQ's holding up today. The sick part is the first trade of the morning, that's short. I was up like $200, and then I was just up another like 150 in that. Wrote it down, wrote it back up. Can't get the follow through. You still in North Shore? Or you got out? I locked it in. This was too impulsive for me to hold. Yeah, I took it for like BE. Oh, you're still in? You're sick. Look at NQ. She's almost back to high a day. There's the 58. This would be your short entry again. But just look what you guys are trading, right? This is what we're in. Just straight range, right? It's doing literally nothing. NQ is at least grinding up. This is just trapped. It's cooling off after that run. So I said this morning NQ is the better play. Open paper account. We got 2 minutes to this hourly close. Almost want to flip long again. We're back over 58. Hopefully you got out, North Shore. Reclaim VWAP. Yeah, that's here's that new hourly. Look at that hourly close. Look at this nonsense. The bubbles are so annoying. I don't know if you could see it. It looks like she might go now. Indecisive. It held. At the end of the day, it's just in a range. Yeah, I'm break even. $12. Yeah, it's rejected now. It's shot. Might just call it a day. Still the same thing. Over 65 is the long. Under 45 is the short. It's really all it comes down to. Everything else means absolutely nothing today. If you guys want to, you're sick. Let me know if you want to set up the cameras for tomorrow. Back to the 58. 58 short is fire, but I just don't like when it starts pulling this shit. You're red today, or you're saying the overall day's red? That's why I use my stop for BE. It sucks sometimes when the play keeps going without you, but you protect the downside. That's why I trade like I trade. Because I used to do what you guys do. Oh, let me just see, what it does, and then you're just taking losses for no reason. Oh, you're sick. Yeah, I'm break even. They'll flush now after we sat in that short all day, right? Why wouldn't it? Why? You're in the shorts, or you're still? I'm in longs now. It's a red day. You're sick. It's just chop. Oh man. So the 58 shorts fire just keeps pulling this bullshit to where it reclaims and then it fails. Realistically, nothing else matters unless this breaks down. Or if this basically breaks out. Above here, longs, below here, shorts. It's just what it is. Look going back. It's just in this boom, 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 boom. It's just like a ping pong. Yeah, I'm probably done unless it breaks 45. I'll keep my $12. No, you're not. No, you're not. This guy's sick. It's just a range. These are the days you get clapped because it's gonna look real nice for the short, then it pops, then you go short, and then it just sells off. And you're like, oh, this is gonna give me the break finally. And it won't give you the break. This is what I used to do. They'll run back to 58. So I'm just sitting here. I'm over it. This morning when we didn't break this 65, that's when I was like over it. I took that last long at 60, which was stupid because I wanted 58 and gave back like $80. You got to break under 45. Yeah, I just want to break you. Yeah. Might as well start praying now, my man. This is let me erase this. It looks stupid up there. Nah, it's just a range. It's shot. So I don't like how NQ is not breaking down. NQ is the better trade. We said it all. Well, I said it all day. It just looks more appealing. Do you want to go tomorrow against Rome if Jada can't go? Jada got 15 bikers. She can't even think. All right. When you're free, we'll do a what you call it. We'll hook up the cameras. I'll get Roman here. This is beat. Whoever's trading this, besides you, North Shore, is disgusting. It's just, it's not chow. It's just a range. It's just consolidating. This is what I thought we were going to do yesterday. Yeah, let me know when you're done with your trade. So I'm not trying to rush you, but whenever you're done, we'll do that. You got to break the under 45. You're golden. Just look at NQ though; it's making a high a day. Either NQ is going to pull back and start flushing ES, or ES is going to start ripping and catch up to NQ. Thank you. Call Father Tom. If you break 45 and you hold those 15 minis, you're going to clean up. I'll tell you that. Damn, snow went crazy today. Last time I looked at snow this morning, it was at 290. It's freaking at 320. There you go, North Shore. First signs to start breaking 50. Under 50, start looking for that 45. Under 45, I would trim 10. Trim 10 at 45 or at least half if you get it. And then just start riding the other half. See if you catch the whole thing with 15. That would be crazy. And the selling pressure is picking up. You got 51s printing on the tape, 51.25, 51s. See if we get some 750s print. There's 750s printing. Let's see if we get some 749s. Not yet. There's 775s. Put a limit order. Like place a limit order on your Dom and just get rid of half at like 46 or something. Or whatever you want. So we tried this short all day. If it breaks, you're gonna clean up. How many times did I say I like that 58 short? I don't know. About 9 times. What's going on? Who's trading scratch? You got it, North Shore. You're about to freaking. We said 58 shorts at least 5 times. Not today. Today's I tried shorts, got stopped twice, B on the day. Who's that? Ben? The Big Ben? Thank you. Can't go wrong. Tell me that's Big Ben. I'll lose it. Damn, you caught that, North Shore. You're a man. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh, that would be good. You get we're doing a thing, Ben. I don't know if you saw for tomorrow. We're gonna start a series. That's why I tagged you in that thing earlier. 'Cause you, I know you like all that shit. It's gonna be like a battle board. I'll show you. So it'll be like this. I've been dabbling, not so much. But we're gonna do something like this for tomorrow. I'm still waiting for the frickin' market to cool down. We did pretty nice yesterday. Yesterday we caught like a 30-pointer. Here's the 45 breaks, North Shore. You're about to eat. So, so mad. How's your new house? You're trading full time, right? You took the 56 roam. You're the man. Yeah, North Shore, you're gonna catch it. You caught it with the most size. That's crazy. Yeah, under 45, guys. You guys are there's nothing to 7,700. You had a nice entry room, the 56. I kept saying 10. Sweet. You're a man. Yeah, there's nothing now. You're gonna break. It's called Revenge Street. Yeah, it's solid. What are you doing? Pennies or just options? There you go. There you go. What were you doing? Options? Futures? Or were you still dabbling in the penny stocks? Yeah, you're a man, Rome. We tried the shorts all morning here. Or where's 9:30 at? Yeah, right here. And then it ran, got stopped, tried it again here. We just kept getting stopped for BE. This is probably the breakout. Shorting gaps and I hear you. Oh, penny stocks, you're sick. The 45 short was it. We just been saying it all day. 58 was entry, 45 was the trigger. I got over it. Fucking tried it 3 times, made no money. North Shore's 15 cons in. He's probably losing it on his cash account. Hell yeah. There goes the short. If NQ breaks that watt and triple Q, this thing's smoked. How much you up, North Shore? Really? How much were you down? There you go, Ro. Yeah, at that 40, that's what we were saying. You could do a little double bottom action here. If you close below this, you can get that continuation. 28 was my full TP that I had earlier. Or 22, whatever it was. Put your stops at like 45, 46. Made 1K. Took me, yeah, I mean, it's still, that's not bad, man, to be honest. It takes some people 4 years, 5 years. Oh, I have no idea. I've been playing with the Lucids. So you got to get a $4,800 buffer, really? Got to look. Also, Rome, you're gonna be versing Shore tomorrow. The Apex. The tree service. You guys called North Shore, you're the man. You had a request a 2,000 payout. You need a $4,600 buffer. Damn, is that for any account size? I didn't know that. They really changed all their rules up. Just the 50Ks. Ah, shit. Yeah, Apex is making it so hard. You still in North Shore? Or you got out? I would have your stop placed at like 45. Hopefully you guys trimmed on that break right there. That was a nice short that took freaking an hour, almost 2 hours. Tradeify solid. I like Tradeify too. There you go, North Shore. I was reading the Apex rules. I didn't even know they changed it. Could probably take this back up to maybe 50 for a retest. I'm not crazy about it, but it could get stuffed and start flagging out right here, right? Or flagging and then break down. That would be something to keep in mind. I still see 2600 on their thing. Your account balance must be at least 52.6 for $2,500 drawdown. Plus 100 buffer, plus 500 minimum request. For $500 payout, you need a 2600. Yeah, that's how it used to be. You used to have to get to 26 to request the payout. I don't think they changed. It looks the same. That's why you always used to aim for 54. 54 is the sweet spot for the accounts. That's what that Lucid one was just until the other day where it got worked. Yeah, no, it's the same thing because you need the buffer. That's why. It used to be 53, I think. You could pull the 2K, but then you were left with like $100 buffer. I think that was the issue. It's like that. No, Lucid, I think you just got to clear 53, I believe. 52, 6, same thing. Everyone's changing the rules. Tradeify is my favorite as of right now. See if that bear flag plays out. We drew, right? We drew that out. See if it plays out. So you could have took the long back to 50 as well for the retest. Yeah, you're like me. I'm on every single one. I got Tradeifys, Lucids. I bought some of those funded next or funded elites. The ones I was telling you, the five. You buy four, you get the last one for free, and you can customize the accounts. Those are pretty sweet. They were more pricey, but you can customize your TPs and your what was your end of day or something. Is it? I'm on the flexes, I believe. I think mine. I just need 5 days. That's how it usually does it. 5 trading days, and I can take the payout. Well, we talked about that 11 o'clock short. Maybe it would happen, and that sucks. 58 to 38, 20 points. Caught none of it. Well, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. It's 11:30. I'm not looking to trade. If you guys want to give me like 10 minutes, then I'll see you guys in the Discord if you want. We can do that call. It'll be me, you, North Shore, me, you, me, North Shore, and Rome, and then I'll throw Jade on for next week. Ben, if you want to do it for the following week, let me know. But I'll message you guys in the Discord.